this video, we will solve a higher order differential equation with fx as a product of exponent and a trigonometric part. So here is the question that we will be solving. First of all, we will find the yc of this equation. For finding the yc of this equation, I have first converted my this part of the equation into function of d terms in terms of d operator. Then I have found my roots and replace my roots in this equation. That's the general solution equation. So I replace my roots here, and this is my general solution for this equation, differential equation. Then for finding out my y particular, the first step I have to do is replace my function of d, my d in the function of d by d plus n, where n is the power of exponent and here the power of exponent is 2x. So I have replaced my d by d plus 2. So if this was 3, it must have been d plus 3 that I would have replaced here. After this, after getting my new function of d, I have sine 3x here, so this 3 will influence my function of d, and this function of d, all the d square terms in the function of d will be replaced by minus m square, where m is 3. So this minus m square will become minus 9, and all these d squares have been replaced by minus 9. After we have replaced our d square by minus 9, we are still left with a few d's. So the term with d in the denominator have been multiplied by a conjugate of that term. Here I have introduced this new term that was not there before. I have introduced it so that I could square it, and then later on I could substitute it by minus m square. So here this value have been numerically substituted by minus 9, and there will be no d term left in my denominator. But the new d that has been there present in my numerator now have differentiated the part of the equation that was being multiplied by the d. So you can see that d was applied on this part of the equation only. So all the part has been copied down, only this part of the equation have got differentiated. You can see the product rule have been applied, and uv prime can be seen like u prime v plus v prime uv prime. So further, now after getting to this part, I will then simplify my equation. After simplifying my yp, this is my yp that I was getting. But this yp will be added to my general solution that I had already found out in this video earlier, and this will all add up to make the solution. Thanks for watching.